Hi, Terry Brown here. Now, I know that money doesn't grow on trees, but with the right mindset, the right opportunity, the right tools and resources, you can make money online. Now, what we do works. We have no and low-cost solutions to share with you to help you to make money online. Learn to make money online if that is your desire. Join my Make Money Online and Personal Growth newsletter for free. Find out about our business opportunity and how we do things. Now, sometimes I wish that money did grow on trees, but it doesn't. So grab the link in the description area of this video and check things out for yourself. Find out how you can make money online. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and amazing day today. Bye-bye now.